In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an offer on Depop step by step for the year 2025. If you're looking to snag a great deal on unique fashion pieces, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to grab your device and open the Depop app. It's important to remember that making an offer can only be done on the mobile app, not on the desktop version, so make sure you have the app ready to go. Once open, log into your Depop account if you haven't already done so. With your account open, the next step is to find the item you're interested in. You can either browse through the latest trends and listings or use the search feature to look for a specific item. Once you've found that perfect piece, click to open the item listing. This will bring up all the details you need about the product, including its price and condition. Now that you're on the item page, you'll see a button that says Make an Offer just below the item's price. Go ahead and tap this button. This action will open up the offer interface where you can start crafting your deal. Moving on to entering your offer is a crucial step. Type in the amount you're willing to pay for the item. Be realistic with your offer. Sellers have the option to accept, decline, or counter your proposition, so you want to make sure it's something that's fair for both parties. To strengthen your offer, consider adding a friendly message to the seller. This message can explain why you're offering this particular amount, or it can be an opportunity to ask any lingering questions you might have about the item. Once you're satisfied with your offer and any accompanying message, it's time to send it off by pressing Send Offer. The seller will then receive a notification about your proposal. From here, all you can do is patiently wait for their response. Upon receiving your offer, the seller has a few options. If they accept it, that's great news. You can move forward to the checkout to finalize your purchase. If they decline the offer, don't be discouraged. You have the option to try again with a new offer. Sometimes sellers might come back with a counter offer, providing a perfect opportunity for further negotiation. At this point, you can accept their counter, decline, or propose a new offer of your own. And there you have it, a complete guide on making an offer on Depop in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned Depop shopper or a newcomer, these simple steps can help you score the best deals tailored to your budget. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping!